What is pressure gauge calibrator? A pressure gauge calibrator is a specialized instrument designed to verify and adjust the accuracy of pressure gauge. Unlike general purpose pressure measurements devices, calibrator are built to provide highly precise and traceable pressure reference. This ensures that the gauge being tested provide reliable readings, which is critical for safety, efficiency, and regulatory compliance across various industries. What is the core functionality? Verification. The primary function of a pressure gauge calibrator is to check whether a pressure gauge readings match a known standard. This involves comparing the gauge output against a reference pressure generated by the calibrator. Adjustments. If the gauge readings deviate from the reference standard by more than an acceptable tolerance, the calibrator may be used to adjust the gauge. This adjustments process aims to bring the gauge readings back into alignment with the standard. How to use a pressure gauge calibrator. To use a pressure gauge calibrator, first, connect the gauge to the calibrator, ensuring a tight seal. Apply a known pressure using the calibrator, whether it's a dead weight tester, digital calibrator, or hand pump. Compare the gauge reading to the calibrator's standard. If inaccurate, adjust the gauge until it matches the calibrator's reference. Repeat at multiple pressure points.